ASUS talks too much about the camera of ASUS Zenfone Zoom. Let's have a look. Hey guys, I'm Dipankar and I'm back with another video, and this time it is about camera of ASUS Zenfone Zoom. ASUS Zenfone Zoom is the latest flagship device by ASUS. This one aims to offer high in performance and best in class camera experience. ASUS Zenfone Zoom comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera with dual LED real tone flash and laser autofocus. 5 megapixel front camera is also there for selfie lovers. This phone is thinnest 3 times optical zoom smartphone with tail and melt Hoya lens for crisp details in images. With combination of digital zoom, you can get up to 12 times magnification. With optical image stabilization, dual LED real tone flash and laser autofocus, you will enjoy photography on this phone. Incredible 3 times optical zoom by 28 to 84mm focal length lets you capture photos from distance. ASUS wants to offer easy to use camera photography which gives you closer to DSLR like photo quality. As this is a camera phone, you also get dedicated keys to record videos and photos at the right side of the smartphone. Camera app in this phone is same what comes in other ASUS phones, but this phone is packed with powerful camera hardware. You get many camera modes including HDR, beautification, low light, depth of field, night mode, selfie, effect, GIF, panorama and more. Manual mode is also there if you are interested in manually controlling things. Clicking on gear icon opens settings for photos and videos. You can configure white balance, ISO, exposure optimization, zoom and image quality. By default, it shoots images on 10 megapixels and digital zoom is also off. Effectively, use of these options improves the photography experience. In manual mode, you get slider for manually selecting focus, shutter, ISO, exposure and white balance. If you know how to use these options, you can try changing values manually. Macro focusing to take close-up as near as 5 cm is another brilliant feature of the camera. Zenfone Zoom's super resolution mode applies special image processing to create incredibly detailed photos. With combination of pixel merging technology, it offers best low-light photography experience. If we talk about zoom capabilities, see these photo samples. First pic was taken without zoom and this pic was taken from the same place by using the 3 times optical zoom of this camera, and you can see even after zooming using the zoom feature the image is very good. And this is the another photo. I took this photo from a distance and this photo is of good quality. And now check this another photo. This was taken by using the 3 times optical zoom, and even in this photo you can even recognize this person. So you can see the original image and this image taken with the zoom, and this is another photo taken without optical zoom and this is with optical zoom. So you can see after using the 3 times optical zoom you can capture photos from a long distance and photo quality remains the same. Low light photography is also good, but to get best results you need to use low light mode. So see, this photo was taken in a very low light without using the low light mode, and you can see there is a dark, and you can also see the yellow pale effect on the photo. This was another photo taken with the help of flash in the low light. But when I use the low light mode, that means the night mode, you can see this. You can see the difference. This photo was taken with the low light mode, and in this photo it seems that in the room there was a proper light. But yes, this was taken in the same conditions as the previous photo. Yes, this. But you can see by using the low light mode you can improve the low light photography in this camera. These are the other camera samples taken from the rear camera of ASUS Zenfone Zoom. Selfie camera also performs good. By using beautification mode you can achieve best results. You can see these selfies taken from the front camera of ASUS Zenfone Zoom. Now check out these camera samples. These photos were taken from the camera of ASUS Zenfone Zoom. All these photos are brilliant in terms of quality. And this was a selfie. Being true, I am pretty much happy with its camera performance. Outdoor pics are pretty awesome. Low light mode with flash lets you get best low light photo experience. If you know how to use camera modes and settings properly, you can get best camera results. Camera of Asus Zenfone Zoom is good in terms of hardware and software both. It is one of the best camera phone available in Indian market. Zenfone Zoom is the camera phone, so I was expecting better front camera or at least a front flash. So this is the only disappointment in this phone. This was the camera review of Asus Zenfone Zoom. If you have any question, you can comment below. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.